Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to be here. And if you're new here guys, please subscribe to my channel. That one means a lot to me. As usual, any chit chat or video request, I am on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Before we crack on with today's video, I just want to say a massive thank you to the new subscribers and to the old subscribers that recently joined the channel, and to all of you guys that decide to sticking up with me week by week and show me your love and support through your thumbs up and sharing my video and such. And today the big shout out goes to two lovely ladies that again always bless and take the time to showcase the love and support from me. Yes, I'm very grateful to all of you guys, so thank you. Today is not a tutorial and I'm not showcasing any products, but I am showing you how I decorate, what we decorate, although I do it, how we decorate Christmas in our house. So I hope you liked this little showcase video, like a house tour. And I will see you very soon. Right guys, so let me show you. I hope I'm trying to be as slow as possible so I don't give you any headache. So that's the living room door. So that's the living room. So we got 3-seater sofa on this side, and then on here we got the got a plant as grandmother, Jamie's grandma gave it to him. And on here we got our fireplace. I don't want to go through all bits and bobs, but I just want to... Oh, I forgot to light this up. They are lighting up later. And Jamie wants to keep them out even after Christmas. So I've got this garland from Joe Louis. Years and years ago now, but this garland is actually made... it's actually two garlands attached together. And then I love this poinsettia, so they're quite a deep burgundy reddish. And I've got some paper stars I made. These decorations are a mixture. I bought some from Marks & Spencer, Next, Joe Louis, Liberty, The Range, all sorts, Powland, they're from Powland. So I got them for literally every single shop. Got the two stocking in there. This one is a stocking, and my mum and dad gave it to Jamie a few years ago, and he got his Christmas present inside. It's actually quite big. And then very slowly, I want to show you all these bits and bobs. They are actually salt and pepper. They're all candles. This is an actual candle. This is from, I want to say, Joe Louis. You pop the tea lights inside. This is a log, I think, from The Range. Santa. This is actually new from this year. This carousel. It's got music on, but I don't want to switch it. Well, and then you rotate it. Okay, how do I switch it off? Oh, they're fabulous. I love this. This is one of my favorite. I am a sucker for vintage Victorian Christmas decoration. I want to say this is probably from Liberty or Selfridges in London. I can't really remember. I have them in years. Yeah, some more hanging baubles, and then we got our Christmas, some of the Christmas cards we received so far. Let me show you the tree. It's a 6-foot tree, and it's got an angel from The Range. And again, all the Christmas decorations are a mixture for all sorts of shop. Now this part, they are new, additional to the family this year. I bought them from Marks & Spencer, the Sector 12. However, I'm very disappointed. They came with the battery inside, okay? But as you can see, that's off already. There's another one. Oh, there. There's two. The battery's already gone, so I need to go and get some battery tomorrow on my way to work. Got again another initial, A&J. Super cute. That's our TV. Got a little Santa in there. Candle. And then we got another. This is a very long garland I've got from, I think we got from The Range. There were two again. It's 2-1 on another And then we got this from the range as well, our welcome lights. Got the nutcrackers, got two, one from me, one from Jamie. I'm the red one, he's the blue one. Then on here, very slowly, we got a star, which I could have switched on, I completely forgot, but it does switched on. Then we got a couple of tea light holder, Christmas bubble, but we use it because it's so fragile. I think we bought these in York. It's huge. We put it here, we don't hang on the tree. Again, another Victorian style sort of vintagey Santa, a glass angel, a little train. I bought this from Amazon. This is actually a table runner my mum gave it to us this Christmas, part of the Christmas presents. We got the Milky Bar chocolate advent calendars, one each. Okay, so this is basically our living room, what it looks like for Christmas, and I'm trying to be very slow. And then on here we got our sofa. Again, those two cushions are from Italy. My mum sent it to us in part of the presents in the box. Very gorgeous. Again, very Victorian sort of style. I love them. Love them, love them. And now I'm going to take you to the front of the house in just a second. It's our hallway, so that's the main door, which we need to paint white over the summer. And, excuse me, this is my second tree. Okay, so this is very different. It's a snowy tree, which I'll show you in just a second. I love snowy tree. I have, it gets bits on the floor to get my nerves. But it's nice. I quite like it. This is 6 or 7 foot, I can't remember. White tree, so it's a snowy tree, and then the decoration are green, silver and white. Okay, so I have two separate color stories, and I love it, absolutely love it. Now what I want to do next year, I'm going to buy some, I want this tree to be very nostalgic, very vintagey. I'm going to buy some baby pink and baby blue bubbles and create that sort of color, sort of keeping the green and add some more colors to make it feel a bit more vintagey. And on here, this is what I was saying to you guys about the lace when I did the video how to make the coasters with the lace, and I will put, in case you missed it, I'll just put a link in there. It's basically, we put this lace everywhere in the house. I love it. So let me talk you through it. I've got two lights from Marks & Spencer. They are actually glass, very fragile, gorgeous, and it got, I don't know if you can pick it up, it got some glitter, some gems in there. Then I've got a silver and white nutcracker to match that, and I've got a little nativity. This is actually bought from my mum. She bought this in my home village in Italy. On the church they do like a market, and every money that they make goes to charities, and this particular nativity is coming from, I think, Africa, from Uganda. I think I got it right. In fact, the figures are black, super cute. Love them, and I'm glad to support causes from charity as well. As I was talking, the postman delivered a little, it looks like a Christmas card. Yeah, so that's the tree, and I got some poinsettias, some, again, decoration from all over the shops. This is one of my favorite, which is like a swan. Also, where is she? Yeah, she's one of my favorite as well. It's a glass swan with some feathers. Got him. Again, I don't want to talk through every single decoration, but it's really, really full, as I like really full trees. And then very slowly, I'll take you to the windowsills in there. And this is one of my favorite as well. Again, this was a dome in there. Smashed it, unfortunately. So, yeah. So it's just like a tree with some animals, more like a woodland, and the little star. So in fact, it was, let me take this dome from that candle. It was something like that, but I mean, this dome is too small, but it was like that. But unfortunately, it got smashed. Okay, then I got this from a what do you call it, antique market. Another nutcracker, again white, and she's absolutely gorgeous. She's a white gold, gold silver glass angel. I love it, but again, we don't hang them, we just leave her in there because so many things can get smashed. So that is it. So we got 2 trees, which I decorate myself because Jamie can't be bothered. And this tree's got a Latin star on the top. And then that's bend. That's what my hallway looks like. Okay, that is it for today, guys. I hope you like this little around the house Christmas decoration tour. Again, nothing special. So 2 trees, just to make our atmosphere a bit more festive, since I can't see my parents. I don't know what's going to happen this year with Jamie's parents, but nothing's set in stone yet. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a Christmassy thumbs up, because that will support the video doing well. If you're not already, guys, please subscribe to the channel. That one means a lot to me. As usual, any chit chats, any requests, I'm on Instagram, and I will put the link on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day, and I will see you very soon.